Hello friends, welcome to learning plumbing systems using Revit MEP. So in the previous video we have created or we have placed plumbing fixtures into the model, and now we will create the hot water and cold water supply system. So in the 3D view, as you can see, in the basement we have placed washer and dryer, and we have also placed water heater, that is 40 gallons, and we have placed kitchen in the first floor, and in the second floor we have placed bathtub, WC, and final, that is lavatories vanity. Now we will create hot water and cold water supply system. But before creating this system, make sure orientation of all the fixtures is going to be correctly placed. So if I will be go to the basement view, and if I will be select this water heater gallon, so as you can see here, if I will be select, so here red color icon is there, so that one will be showing hot water system, and here the blue color icon is there, icon is there, so that is a cold water system. So first of all we will be rotate this so that our water supply systems will be connecting like this, and here all the connections are also available. So here as you can see, this one is our hot water supply, and this side as our cold water supply system is now ready to create. So I will be go to 3D view, and in the 3D view I will be first select the washer and dryer, and there is a option of piping. So if I will be click on piping, and here there is an option whether you want to go for the sanitary piping, hot water or cold water system. So first of all we will create a hot water system. So click on hot water system and click on OK, and we will create the hot water system by clicking on edit system and add to system, and we will use the hot water system in the sink, bathtub, then after kitchen, and we will go to the select equipment, and we will select this water gallon and finish layout. So as we can see, all the equipments which are to be connected to the hot water supply, which are highlighted in the red color. So we will generate the hot water system layout by selecting this water gallon, and there is the option of generate layout. So click on generate layout, and here we want to create network layout, perimeter layout, and then after intersection different type of layout is there. So let us first of all we will review the network layout, and as you can see we have to place or we have to create efficient network layout so that it will be have minimum losses and minimum amount of cost and with efficient system. So we will create network 505 and simply click on finish layout. So it has been created a very nice layout of the hot water system. So after creating the hot water system, we will create the cold water system. So we will repeat the same process. Select the washer and dryer, and we will clicking on piping, and here there is the option of cold water system. Simply click on OK and click on edit system. Add to system is automatically selected, and we will select all these stops and click on select equipment, and we will select water gallon, finish equipment. Select washer and dryer, and or you can also click on water gallon, and that is the option of generate layout. So we will click on generate layout, and we want to create a layout for the cold water system. So click OK. So this is the layout of the cold water system, and we will use the best layout. But here as you can see both pipes are going to be intersect. So what I will do, I will go to the settings, and main branch, main settings, that is main offset, that is 8 feet. So as you can see, it has been created 8 feet, and this branch as well I want to use the 8 feet offset, so there will be no interference of the pipe like this. And again clicking on finish layout, and we will be ready to create our hot water and cold water system. So in the diagram you can see there are two colors, red color showing the hot water system. So as you can see, hot water system is connected to the sink, bathtub, kitchen area, water gallon, and cold water system is connected to the all the equipments. So we have created hot water and cold water system, and now in the next video we will be see that how to create the ventilation stacks and drain pipes. So we will meet on the next video.